So if you've been following along, you'll know I have been collecting these fruit stools from Home Goods. This one was originally a lemon and I painted it into a lime. And the other day, I found this pineapple one at Home Goods and I snatched it up and I was like, I'm gonna paint it to look like an actual pineapple. So that's what we're doing today. We are painting it yellow and the top of it green. So far I have an orange, I have a lime, and I have a lemon. And now we will be painting this pineapple. Also have this strawberry one, which is forever my favorite one. They are kind of heavy. This is what we're working with. Just regular yellow acrylic paint. And then I have a bunch of different greens all mixed up to find the right shade for the top. I'm gonna start off with the yellow part and then let it dry and then do the green on top. You know how pineapple is like yellow, but then has like little brown details on the yellow parts? I think I will do details at the end, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like keep it simple or really make it look nice. I had a patient last night at work and I went in the room and she was like, I know you from TikTok. And I was like, oh no. That's the first time I've been recognized on TikTok at my nursing job. And I always just feel so embarrassed. I don't know why, but I just do. It's gonna take so long just because this thing has like all these little grooves in it. Progress so far. I'm gonna come back with an update once I finish and show you guys the finished painted pineapple stool.